Snaefell Mountain Road. The A18 Snaefell Mountain Road, or Mountain Road Manx, Giat y Clieau, is a primary main road of 35 miles 48 km in length, which connects the towns of Douglas and Ramsey in the Isle of Man. Description: the mountain road is part of Isle of Man TT Mountain Course, or TT Course, a road racing circuit used for the Isle of Man TT and Manx Grand Prix races, which have been held in the Isle of Man from 1911 and 1923 respectively. In the races, it is one way from Ramsey towards Douglas. The racing is held on public roads closed for racing by an Act of Tynwald, the Parliament of the Isle of Man. It is the oldest motorcycle racing circuit still in use. The highest point of the course is on the A18 Snaefell Mountain Road between the Bungalow and Halewood's Height at Ordnance Survey Spot height 422 meters 1385 feet above sea level, with gradients reaching 14%. The A18 Snaefell Mountain Road was described in the publication Classic Motorsport Routes as: "You'll notice that once you get beyond Ramsey and the tight left-hand hairpin bend to begin the climb onto the mountain road, most Manx drivers don't tend to hang about. The sense of freedom given by the liberal road traffic laws and the brooding, mountain and moorland terrain makes driving here an invigorating experience." Route: the A18 Snaefell Mountain Road runs from the Atwo Governors Road at Governors Bridge in Douglas north to Ramsey, and includes the A18 Bimahag Road from Governors Bridge to Signpost Corner, with the A39 Hilbury Road junction. As part of the Isle of Man TT Mountain Course, in reverse direction it passes through Cronk ny Mona and the road junction with the A6 Johnny Watterson's Lane and the C10 Scalag Road. The A18 road then passes Hilbury Corner and the junction with the C22 Little Mill Road, Brandish Corner, Craig ny Ba, Kate's Cottage, Keppel Gate, the Windy Corner, and the B10 Bain, Wyfot Road junction with Brandywell. Continuing north, the A18 Mountain Road passes over the Snaefell Mountain Railway tramway crossing at the Bungalow and the A14 Sulby Glen Road, Bungalow Bridge, Veranda, Stonebreaker's Hut, East Snaefell Mountain Gate, Mountain Box, the Mountain Mile including Guthrie's Memorial, 26th Milestone, the D28 Hibernia Road junction at the Gooseneck, Waterworks Corner, Ramsey Hairpin and Whitegates. The A18 Snaefell Mountain Road at its northern end includes two small sections of road previously held in private ownership between Cruickshanks Corner and the road junctions with the Annan Ramsey to Andreas Road and the Atwo Douglas to Ramsey Road situated in the town of Ramsey. Origins and history. The A18 Snaefell Mountain Road was developed in the mid-19th century from a number of pre-existing roads, cart tracks, and bridle paths. This included installation of a number of sheep gates, including the East Mountain Gate, the Bain Wyfot Sheep Gate at Brandywell, and Keppel Gate. The section of the A18 Snaefell Mountain Road from Keppel Gate northwards to the Gooseneck Corner near Ramsey was built on common grazing land that was transferred to the Crown following the sale of the island's feudal rights by the Duke of Atholl after the Disafforesting Commission of 1860. As the A18 Snaefell Mountain Road is purpose-built, it reflects typical 19th century highway and railway construction practices, with many small-scale cuttings, embankments and revetments, and follows land contours with purpose-built graded sections intersected by right-angle bends, road junctions, and sheep gates. Milestones. The A18 Snaefell Mountain Road has small metal milestones from the period of James Garrow as Isle of Man Surveyor General. They are numbered numerically from Douglas to Ramsey. National Geographic Top 10 Drives. In 2014, The National Geographic magazine nominated the A18 Snaefell Mountain Road as No. 8 in the top 10 drivers' drives. No. 8. A18 Snaefell Mountain Road. The Isle of Man has been a leading motorsport destination since 1904, when racing was legalized on public roads. This 15-mile route between Douglas and Ramsey is the motorcycle racing circuit used for the Isle of Man TT Tourist Trophy and the Manx Grand Prix. The road skirts the peak of Snaefell, the tallest mountain on the island at 35 feet 6. A key attraction for many, the Isle of Man is one of the few British territories with no national speed limit.